Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about difference between SAS and Python. Data science has been one of the most promising careers for talented individuals who have knack for technology. Data scientists today are advanced way more than the traditional skill of analyzing data, data mining and programming skill. Data professionals need to understand the flexibility and capability of the subject and master the full spectrum of the data science. So we will discuss the difference between the SAS versus Python in relevance to the attributes like availability, ease of learning, graphical capabilities, data management capabilities, etc. So first of all, what is meant by SAS? SAS is a statistical analytical system. It is a software tool used for statistical data analysis and has been undisputed market leader for many years. This program features a large number of statistical capabilities, a user-friendly interface, and excellent technical support, and is suitable for complex operations. Let's see what is in the Python. Python is an open source programming language widely used for web development, software development, and data science. It is an interactive, high-level object-oriented programming language known for its simplicity and readability due to the clear syntax. So let's compare the Python and SAS with the cost effectiveness. SAS is commercial software that is used by companies. Due to the extremely high rates, it is beyond the reach of individuals or companies who are just starting out. SAS holds the highest market share in the private organization. SAS provides a free university version for students with some limitation. Python is an open source programming language that is absolutely free to download and use. Many companies prefer to use Python over SAS due to its transparent nature and in all functionality and cost effectiveness. Second is learning ease. SAS is very easy to learn and use, and it has a better and more stable graphic user interface in comparison to Python. It is important for a user to have a knowledge of SQL in order to work in SAS. There are also many resources available on many websites with tutorials for SAS. Python is very simple and versatile programming language that is used very easy and understand. It is beginner friendly in the field of programming as well as data analysis. There is no popular GIS as of now. The learning curve of Python is little more difficult than SAS. In case of data handling, SAS can handle database smoothly and stably. Data is increasing in size and stably every day. SAS is able to store and organize huge amount of data efficiently. Python is also very effective when it comes to data handling. It has a library like pandas, numpy, which make data handling very easy. It is parallel to SAS and user can choose any of both in this relevant. Graphical capabilities. The functional graphical capabilities of SAS are adequate. It has its limitation when it comes to any sort of customization. In order to customize the graphical capabilities, one must have a good graphs package. Python is clear winner when it comes to graphical capabilities. With the help of the graphical package like YSpy and Matplotlib, it is easier to create a custom graphic easily. So these are the difference between the SAS and Python. Hope you like this video. Thank you.